Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, we're going to take a look at simplifying ratios. And I'm going to go through 4 examples with you in order to help you get this down. So let's take a look at number 1 here, where we have a ratio of 4 to 12. Now, simplifying ratios, it is exactly like simplifying fractions. We need to find the greatest common factor between the two numbers of the ratio, divide both those numbers by the greatest common factor, and you get a simplified ratio. So for example number 1, like we talked about, we have a ratio of 4 to 12. So what's a number that can go into both 4 and 12? And you want the greatest. So 2 can go into both 4 and 12, but there's something greater than 2, and it's 4. We can divide 4 by 4 and 12 by 4. So if we do that, 4 divided by 4 and 12 divided by 4, we end up with 1 to 3. That would be our simplified ratio. For every 1 of something, there would be 3, and that is equivalent to 4 to 12. Now, ratios can be set up as fractions, with the first number, that 4 would be your numerator and the 12 would be your denominator. So if you're more comfortable setting it up as a fraction and simplifying from that fractional form, feel free to do so, and then you can just change it back to whatever way you need to write the ratio. So we would divide both by 4 here and get 1 to 3, and then you could just rewrite it 1 to 3 if that's the form you need to put it in. So let's take a look at number 2, 21 to 14. So common factor between the two would be 7, and that's your greatest common factor. So let's divide both of them by 7, and we get 3 to 2. Number 3, greatest common factor between 20 and 15 would be 5. So let's divide both of them by 5. And we end up with 4 to 3. Or again, like we did in number 1, if you want to set it up fractional form and simplify, that is perfectly fine, and we get the same answer. It's just in fractional form, so we can always convert it back to whatever form you need to put it in. And then number 4, we're going from a picture, oranges to strawberries. So 2 oranges, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 strawberries. Greatest common factor between 2 and 4 is 2, so divide both of them by 2, and we get 1 to 2. For every 1 orange, there are 2 strawberries. And if we take a look, our picture will match. For every 1 orange, 2 strawberries. 1 orange, 2 strawberries. So there you have it. There's simplifying ratios. Hopefully that helped. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.